Hello, welcome to another YouTube video. Hope you guys are having a great week. If you're new to my channel, I'm Pavi Arav. I'm a user experience designer at Amazon. If you're again back to my channel, welcome back. As I mentioned in my previous videos, I recently created an Instagram profile because I'm always on Instagram. So I thought might as well create it because I really want to respond to you guys. And with that being said, jumping into the fourth episode of this series, which is how to look for jobs. So where do you search for a job? How do you search for a job? There are so many things that you could possibly know about doing that. And so before you do that, before you cheat sheet like in every video, before you search for a job, I would recommend doing two things. One is to update your LinkedIn profile. LinkedIn, I think, is really important right now in this day and age. I think everybody, all the recruiters are on LinkedIn, the hiring managers are on LinkedIn. So make sure you go to LinkedIn. If you haven't created a LinkedIn account, I would suggest creating a LinkedIn account. Or if you have a LinkedIn account, update your profile. Make sure everything is up to date. Make sure you have all the certificates that you've done on there, the courses you've done, and any job work you've done, any details about your job, everything that's in your resume. Make sure to update that on LinkedIn as well. The second thing is to create a list or a spreadsheet or a document, anything of the sort, even an app on your phone. Just create it so that you can, as you keep applying to jobs, you can note it down. So what I usually do is I open up a spreadsheet. I have the company name, the job title I've applied to, the date I've applied, and if there's any hiring manager or recruiter, if I can find their contact in the posting, I put that as well. And also if I have reached out to them, I put that on as well, so that there are many reasons why this helps. First, you keep track of all the different jobs you've been applying to. You keep a track of if you've reached out to the recruiters and hiring managers, and also if you get calls from them, you can always say a first interview or second interview or phone call or reached out or rejected or anything like that. Just keeping a track of all these different details. And also it really helps with if you want to reach out, like you've applied to this job, you have messaged this person but they haven't gotten back to you yet, so you can see those details and you can reach out back to them. So keeping that organized really helps. So definitely do that. Update LinkedIn, create a spreadsheet. Those are the two things before you actually even start searching for a job. So do those two things. And after that, there are 5 different ways I try to find a job. First is job finding sites, of course, job search websites. There is LinkedIn, Indeed, Glassdoor, ZipRecruiters, Dribbble, and also Facebook groups like HH Job Listings and all that. So all these are some great sources to find jobs. I use LinkedIn a lot more than any other sites. Definitely look on LinkedIn, just search for the job title. If you're looking at a particular location, search for the location, and so many listings pop up. And sometimes they also have the recruiter or the hiring manager listed on there, so you can always reach out to them directly on LinkedIn as well. So I think LinkedIn is a really good way to search for jobs. So yeah, job finding sites and groups are really good. Referrals, I think referrals are really good. If you know someone, suppose you want to work at Facebook, say, and if you know someone at Facebook, get them to refer you. I think that really increases your chance of getting that interview more than just applying directly. If you know someone at Amazon, me, do reach out to me, and I'll definitely, and if you find a job that really interests you, I can refer you as well. So if you like a company, if you know someone over there, it's really nice. You can just reach out to them and ask them to refer you. Getting referrals, I think, is the best side. Is one of the best ideas. It really increases your chances of getting an interview or getting noticed by the recruiters and hiring managers. And one other thing I would suggest is connecting with people. There's so many designers. Just kind of reach out to them, message them, say hi, I'm really looking for this job, this is my portfolio, this is my profile. And you have no idea the amount of designers I have reached out to, and people are sometimes really helpful. They definitely respond back to you. So on LinkedIn, just don't randomly like spam them, but then at the same time just leave a message being like, hi, I'm a fellow designer, I'm interested in this particular job, and if you think you can help me out, please, I would definitely be very grateful. I just wanted, or sometimes just be like, I just wanted to share my resume and get some feedback. And if just ask them feedback, and if they like it, then be like, okay, do you think I can apply for this job at your company? And maybe they'll even offer to refer you. So just reach out to people, connect with people. And another thing is agencies. There's a lot of really good design recruiting agencies, like staffing and recruiting agencies like Creative Circle. You don't have to pay any money to them. The company actually, like small companies, they don't have their own recruiting team, so they employ these agencies to sort of find jobs for them. So it's a full-time job and you don't have to pay any money. They'll pay them money, but you can easily find a job. It's much easier because they kind of help you, introduce you to multiple companies and give you multiple choices for you to pick on, and you can choose to take them. So the creative agencies are really good. Staffing and recruiting agencies are really good to find a job, really much better way than just finding on your own in LinkedIn, Google, etc. And also conferences and networking events. That's the last thing I would say. If there's any networking event, or if there's a job search event, or if there is a conference that's happening, a design conference, definitely attend those, because they always have these networking sessions, or they always have these job search sessions and stuff like that, which is a great place to sort of meet one-on-one with a hiring manager, one-on-one with a recruiter, or just even get yourself introduced so that they can keep you in mind for next time. So going to these networking events and these job hunt events as well is a great way to find some jobs. So yeah, I think these are the 5 different ways how you can find jobs: job finding sites, referrals, LinkedIn contacts, contacting recruiters, agencies, conferences and networking events. And also I would say apply to as many jobs as possible. The more you apply, the more it's better. Never think, I don't think I'm good enough for this job, so I don't think I should apply. I don't think I have 4 years of design experience, but they're looking for 6, so maybe I should not apply. Definitely keep applying to as many jobs as possible, because the more you apply, the more chances of you trying to get picked for an interview. If you have any questions about this, please leave them down in the comments below, or you can definitely reach me on Instagram. I'm very responsive over there and I'll definitely get back to you. And if you wanted to kind of email me something, then email me at pavi4@gmail.com and I'll get back to you there as well. But yeah, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you again next week. Bye.